Number 1.
1994 Ford Ranger, price $7,995, well-equipped 4WD pickup powered by a reliable 4.0L gasoline engine. It features a clean title and comes finished in a white two-tone exterior with alloy wheels, giving it a classic and rugged appearance. Inside, the interior is finished in blue and includes air conditioning, power steering, power windows, and power door locks for added comfort and convenience. Additional features include an AM/FM CD audio system, active manual seatbelts, rear-wheel ABS, privacy glass, and a sliding rear window. This extended cab model is paired with a regular bed that is protected by a bed liner and equipped with a tow hitch, making it suitable for both daily driving and light hauling needs. Overall, this Ford Ranger combines practicality, capability, and classic truck styling in a dependable package.
Number 2.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,988, well-maintained full-size pickup powered by a 5.7-liter V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a reliable 4WD drivetrain and has 180,000 miles on the odometer, making it suitable for both daily driving and light off-road use. It comes with a clean title and is finished in a red exterior color. In terms of comfort and convenience, the Chevrolet 1500 is equipped with power windows, power door locks, power steering, cruise control, tilt steering wheel, and dual power seats.
For safety, it includes dual front airbags and a 4-wheel ABS braking system.
The interior also features air conditioning and an AM/FM stereo with cassette player.
Enhancing its appearance and road presence, the truck rides on oversized 20-inch premium wheels. Number 3.
1996 Nissan Pickup, price $10,000, equipped with a dependable 2.4L 4-cylinder gasoline engine matched with a smooth 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has an odometer reading of only 117,000 miles and comes with a clean title in hand. As an SA model, it offers useful features such as air conditioning for added comfort, power steering for easy handling, and a tilt steering wheel that allows the driver to adjust for a more comfortable driving position. This pickup is a one-owner vehicle that has been well cared for and garage kept since new, showing clear signs of responsible ownership. It has been regularly maintained, with a recent tune-up completed that included new spark plugs, ignition wires, distributor cap, and additional maintenance work to ensure reliable performance. Overall, this 1996 Nissan Pickup remains in very good condition for its age and represents a solid, well-maintained truck that is ready for daily driving or light-duty work.
Number 4. 1972 GMC 2500, price $9,995, powered by a factory big block 402 V8 gasoline engine with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. It shows 64,000 miles, has a clean title, front disc brakes, and air conditioning. The truck has very solid bones, and despite older paint and bodywork, it is completely rust-free, including the cab corners, doors, wheel wells, bed, and underside. The bed rail pockets show some wear, but the tailgate is in good condition and the body remains mostly straight. The interior is clean with a newer headliner, re-upholstered seat, and newer carpet. Tires and wheels show minimal wear. The truck drives smoothly with no abnormal drivetrain noises, good brakes, smooth shifting transmission, and light power steering. There are minor fluid drips at the engine to transmission area and the rear differential. Number 5.
1998 GMC Sonoma, price $4,995, comes with a clean title and is powered by a reliable 4.3L gas engine paired with an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck has only 136,000 miles on the odometer, which is considered low for its age, and it runs excellently. Finished in red paint, it has been well maintained and drives comfortably. The vehicle features a suicide door with a rear seat, making it more practical than a standard regular cab.
It offers decent gas mileage, is equipped with good tires, and includes a newly installed transmission that is still under warranty.
The air conditioning works properly, and the interior is upgraded with a Kenwood stereo system featuring Bluetooth connectivity. Registration is valid until February 2027, and a Carfax report is available for review.
Number 6.
1997 Ford Ranger, price $6,995, dependable and fuel-efficient pickup truck equipped with a gasoline engine, rear-wheel drive, and a 5-speed manual transmission. It has 118,000 original miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title, reflecting its well-documented history. Finished in white paint, this truck is a one-owner former government vehicle that has been consistently maintained and cared for throughout its life. Known for being a reliable and economical gas saver, it runs and drives great,
with all features functioning exactly as they should. Its simple and durable design makes it an excellent choice for daily driving, light work duties, or anyone looking for a solid, no-nonsense pickup that is fully ready to go. Number 7. 1977 Dodge Pickup, price $7,900. It has been well cared for and remains in great overall condition. It is equipped with a rear-wheel drive system and an automatic transmission, making it comfortable and easy to drive. Powered by a gasoline engine, this pickup runs strong and drives smoothly, showing its reliability despite its age. The truck holds a clean title and presents itself well with a black exterior finish that pairs nicely with its black interior, giving it a timeless and aggressive look. Inside, the interior has been well maintained, offering a clean and solid cabin that reflects attentive ownership. The seats, dashboard, and interior surfaces remain in good shape for a vehicle of this era. It is also fitted with great tires that provide confident road handling and are ready for continued use. Number 8. 1994 Ford F-150, price $3,400, powered by a 5.8L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck has 190,000 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. It is a one-owner vehicle that has remained completely original and stock since new. Owned and driven by a senior citizen, the truck has been consistently serviced at a Ford dealership and is fully smogged and registered through 2026. All features are in excellent working condition, including ice-cold air conditioning and a strong heater. The XLT trim includes steering wheel-mounted controls, power windows, and power door locks. The truck has recently received new tires and brakes, and it runs and drives very well. All original manuals and complete service records from day one are included. Number 9. 1999 Ford Ranger, price $6,995, powered by a reliable 3.0L V6 engine and equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck features a 4WD drivetrain and runs on gasoline, offering solid performance for daily driving as well as off-road or work use. It currently shows 181,000 miles on the odometer and comes with good tires that are ready for the road. The vehicle has recently passed a fresh emissions test and holds a clean title, giving added peace of mind to the next owner. Finished in green paint, this Ranger is in great overall condition with no rust present. It is reported to run and drive great, making it a dependable and clean Ford Ranger that is ready to go today. Number 10. 1997 Mazda B4000, price $2,799. The vehicle features a reliable 4WD drivetrain and runs on gasoline, making it suitable for both daily driving and light off-road use. It has 231,000 miles on the odometer and comes in a clean white exterior paint color. The truck has been recently smogged and is currently registered through 2026, with the title in hand. It is equipped with a manual stick-shift transmission and shows no mechanical issues, reflecting consistent care and proper maintenance over the years. Major recent upgrades include a brand new clutch and a new master cylinder, ensuring smooth and dependable shifting. Additionally, the vehicle rides on good tires and offers fully functional air conditioning, heater, and stereo system, providing comfort and convenience for the driver.